Welcome everybody. This is Milan Soccer 1313 bringing you box break number 503. As always, before we begin, we show the time here in Toronto local Ontario time. Hit refresh. It is now 10:41 p.m. my friends. That means we're about 10 minutes after the last team Winnipeg would have sold and we are ready to go. This ended May 12, 2022 and it is for one box of Series 1 retail. It happens to be box 7 of 20, all from the same case. And if you open up your description, you'll see that serial number listed there along with this information. And we will be sure to show that serial number before we open up the box. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If not, it's okay. I always give you the video link via eBay messaging. Let's go over the rules really quickly, and let's use Bizik as an example. In this box break, he has the Jackets, the Sharks, and the Jets. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be 24 packs. Retail is expected to have a few dead packs, but our experience so far is that almost every pack has a hit. So there's going to be about 20 to 24 hits. Those are the cards that get mailed out. We set those aside. If there are any Columbus, San Jose, or Winnipeg cards, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Bizik 1978 to a shipping address on file. Please make sure your eBay shipping address is up to date and accurate, as that's what I use to ship. In the unfortunate event, however, let's say there are no San Jose Shark cards, I'm still going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, there's nothing to mail. There's no physical package going to Bizik for San Jose because there was no San Jose cards in the box break. I know he paid 50 cents for shipping and handling, but that is a small collection from everybody for the amount of product that needs to go with retail. Email me with any questions you have. Let's get to it. Bizik does indeed own the Jackets, the Sharks, and the Jets. D owns the Edmonton Oilers. The Sol owns the Rangers, the Ottawa Senators, and the Canucks. Forsberg Rocks has the Penguins, the Blues, and the Lightning. Furlong has the Vegas Knights and the Capitals. Hemi Orange CR Duster has the Flames and the Red Wings. Hockey MC has the Avalanche and the Keys and the Kings. Hosh has the Wild. Jams has the Flyers. Lewis has the Sabres. Marty Delis has the Panthers. Mike Shotton has the Coyotes, the Hurricanes, the Blackhawks, the Islanders, and my beloved Maple Leafs, who are in overtime, and I'm watching it at the same time. Dying here. Pat Barrel has the Ducks. Super Pop Collectibles has the Bruins, the Predators, the Devils, and the Canadians. And the Devils. Vinci Sports Card Break has the Canadians, and W96 has the Stars. Seattle not available until Series 2. All right, let's remember that serial number, 826726. As I bring you guys over to the webcam, and let's show that right off the hop. 826726, as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Oh, these guys are killing me. I don't know how they ended up with a 5-on-3 late in the third. That's brutal. Well, they tied the game that way, and sometimes it's sealed and sometimes it's not, boys. Interesting. And that's it for this week. Box 8 goes later tonight, and boxes 9 through 16 go next week. So hope to see you guys early next week. 8 goes on a little bit later tonight, and that'll be it for the week. Our first hit is a orange Dazzler for your Montreal Canadiens. Way to start us off, Nick Suzuki. Congratulations, Montreal. Leafs have some pressure here in the first overtime. I haven't seen a Leafs overtime. A debut dates, Minnesota Wild. Kirill Kaprizov. Young Guns, Nashville Predators, Tanner Jeannot. Congrats. That's who you're looking for if you bought Nashville. Nice hit. They're going head-to-head top lines. Matthews versus Kucherov. Our first Upper Deck Portraits is a Spencer Knight Rookie Edition. Congratulations, Florida. You can see the little rookies little sign at the side there. Open the window because it's so warm, but that's not helping. It's hot now. Maybe we gotta put the air conditioning on. And maybe the Leafs are just giving me anxiety. Alex DeBrincat for your Chicago Blackhawks. Electromagnetic. Congratulations. Oh no. Tampa Bay came close. There it is. Upper deck canvas. Dylan Cousins. He was the big rookie last year to collect. So nice second year card for him. Congratulations, Buffalo. Oh my god, the Vasilevsky guy. It's like he stopped it. That's it. The door, the wall is up. You can't score on those guys. We have a Spencer Knight again. Honor roll this time for your Florida Panthers. Come on, Tavares, get the hat trick tonight. A young gun, a not bad one either. Playing right now, Ross Colton for your Tampa Bay Lightning. He wasn't a first sought-after young gun. I'm sure he is now. Upper deck canvas for your Nashville Predators, Ryan Ellis. Alex Nedeljkovic for your Carolina Hurricanes, rookie retrospective. Our Blue Dazzler of Cam Atkinson and your Columbus Blue Jackets. Electromagnetic of Josh Norris and your Ottawa Senators. Young Guns for your Buffalo Sabres, Matthias Samuelsson. Nice young gun for Buffalo. Another Orange Dazzler, this time of Igor Shesterkin. Another goalie phenom. Young goalie. A lot of young, good goalies coming up that are taking over the NHL. Young Guns, wow. Trevor Zegras to the owner of Anaheim. Please let me know if you would like your Zegras tracked. Reach out to me and we can work out details of getting your Young Gun tracked. Congratulations, that's a nice card. We have an upper deck portraits of Torrey Krug and your St. Louis Blues. We got a nice flow. Congratulations, St. Louis. Retail's so random. The cases don't really have any meaning, like there's a guaranteed a bunch of hits, but it's doing really well. And I love these cards. Jake Ottinger, another good goalie rookie standout, or second year, rookie retrospective jersey for your Dallas Stars. You're getting like one a box of those. Those are really nice to come by. Gabe Velarde, rookie retrospective. of your LA Kings for your LA Kings. Young Guns, Wyatt Kalynuk for your Chicago Blackhawks. Just going to hit the cursor so we don't time out here. Both teams are playing a conservative approach here in this overtime. Ryan O'Reilly, the chances are far and few between. Really to the outside. St. Louis Blues, superstar honor roll of Ryan O'Reilly. Not very many shots on goal. Nobody wants to make a mistake, I don't think. Alberta Canvas, Nick Suzuki for your Montreal Canadiens. Looks like he's putting the puck in the net there. It's a good shot. Nice hit for Montreal. $100% of Philip Danault for your Montreal Canadiens. Two packs to go, and as always, we will show who owns the last team and sign off with the time. So bear with me. A Tanner Ladzinski Young Guns for your Philadelphia Flyers. And our final pack, we end with a Sidney Crosby Blue Dazzler for your Pittsburgh Penguins. So we're going to go back to the main screen now, show who owns the Pittsburgh Penguins, and sign off with the time. Let's find Pittsburgh. Right off the hop, it's right there. Forsberg Rocks. Now we're going to show the time. I'm going to hit refresh because it doesn't tick when we're not on it. It is now 10:53 p.m., my friends, here in Toronto. And go Leafs go. Hope to see you guys next week. Have a great weekend, everyone. The weather's getting better. And hope to see you guys in the next break.